Hey guys, we're going to see the votes. Okay, let's vote. Come on. I didn't complete it. What the heck? I did not complete the survey. What the? Can I just vote here or something? Time to create a new account. Done. Why? Time to create a new account. Sign up, I guess. We have to create a new account because of this. Yeah. Sign up. Do I have to actually make a new account? Ugh. Time to use my brothers. Does this count as time? So done. Finally. I just made a password. Skip. Next. Allow. Skip. Yeah, I don't. Let's just search Roblox and actually vote for now. Let me just vote. Why is the screen so big? Cast my votes here. Base Swarm. Next. Only games published in 2018. Oh, okay. Base Swarm. When is parkour in best single player? Escape room can be multiplayer and it's quite good, so round based multiplayer. I only played Flee the Facility or Tower Battles. I hate Suicide because it's just like Fortnite. Best art direction in the game. Why? I only heard of this game, never heard of this one. Best tutorial. Yeah, I gotta admit, Book of Monsters counts quite a good one. I only heard, so, okay. Best role-playing game. JK, I don't play this game, so next. Favorite showcase. Never play any of these games, so -3. Favorite map. I never heard of this game. Yeah, I gotta admit, that's okay. Never seen this. Super Bomb Survival, Epic Mini Games, Split Escape, Island Royale, ew, Shark Bite. Best GUIs. I only heard of these three, but yeah, I gotta admit, this one's good. Best Showcase Render. Who are these people? I'll just vote for the first one. Next. Best Video I thought these two online did a lot, so never heard of this. Only heard of that. Best Comedic Video. I don't play Phantom Forces. Why is this in here? I don't want to know this. This is a video contest. How is it a comedic video? Best Action Video. I actually haven't watched the last guest yet, but I suspect it'll be good, so. Best Original Music Video. Jailbreak. Okay, I never heard of any of these songs. Okay. Best Fan Art. Never heard of anyone here, so. Best GIF. Never heard before. Favorite live streamer. I never watched live streams, but I heard Creekcraft is very, live streaming. Best game trailer. Mine Simulator had a game trailer. I don't remember. I only saw just do Reason to Die. I don't know any of these games besides Mining Simulator. Best tweet. Best social group. Best Twitter channel. Okay, next. Original music. Yeah, I never heard. Yeah, just choose this. Studio of the Year. Why? If you click this, it is the creator of. Yeah. Okay, this will be an interesting one, I guess. Builder of the Year. Why? Never heard of these. So, Game of the Year, yes. Jailbreak isn't here. It's not rigged anymore. Video of the Year. Why is I only heard of Remaining's video here. This one I already voted, so I'm voting for this now. Mobile Game of the Year. Why does Pet Simulator have this exclamation mark? I don't need to know. Stop! Ugh. Why? I didn't know this was on mobile. Xbox Game of the Year. Yeah, this is good. Submit. Your response is very important to us. Let's hope it's not rigged again, guys. Well, bye, lmao.